How to log in to FedEx My Schedule account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your FedEx My Schedule account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser on your PC and in the address bar, simply type FedEx My Schedule account. And here, once you search for it on the result page, simply click on the first link. And once you click on it, you'll see the interface like this. So here you first need to log into your FedEx account. So here just enter the FedEx username and after that simply type in your password. And once you're done with everything, you can simply click on sign in button and if your login credentials are correct, you'll be taken straight to the FedEx My Schedule dashboard. And this is where you can check your work shift and other schedule details. And here, if you are having issues logging in, you can simply click on request help. And once you click on it, you simply need to click on forget password and they will help you in resetting your password or recovering your username. And that's it. It's a quick and easy guide on how to log into your FedEx My Schedule account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.